Haigh chara is fiche alana o Let's Learn Irish, and today we're going to be learning how to count people from the numbers 11 until 20. The grammatical structure changes just a little bit after the number 10. This requires us to change the words around just a little bit. But don't be worried, it's quite easy once you get the hang of it. For 11 people, we say Ein duine dhéag. Ein duine dhéag. For 12 people, we say dhá dhuine dhéag. Dhá dhuine dhéag. For 13 people, we say trí dhuine dhéag. Trí dhuine dhéag. For 14 people, we say cheithre dhuine dhéag. Cheithre dhuine dhéag. For 15 people, we say cúig dhuine dhéag. Cúig dhuine dhéag. For 16 people, we say sé dhuine dhéag. Sé dhuine dhéag. For 17 people, we say seacht nduine dhéag. Seacht nduine dhéag. For 18 people, we say ocht nduine dhéag. Ocht nduine dhéag. For 19 people, we say naoi nduine dhéag. Naoi nduine dhéag. And finally, for 20 people, we say fiche duine. Fiche duine. From the start. Ein duine dhéag. Dhá dhuine dhéag. Trí dhuine dhéag. Cheithre dhuine dhéag. Cúig dhuine dhéag. Sé dhuine dhéag. Seacht nduine dhéag. Ocht nduine dhéag. Naoi nduine dhéag. Fiche duine. Thanks for practicing with me. And make sure to go over to our other video where we practiced how to count people from 1 until 10. And next time while you're out and about, why don't you give it a go? For more Irish, more phrases and more articles, be sure to follow us at letslearnirish.com. By Fáilte Rót.